Looking for a powerful, efficient way to keep your home spotless? Upright vacuum cleaners are a top choice for deep cleaning carpets, rugs, and hard floors with ease. From strong suction to versatile attachments, the best upright vacuums make everyday cleaning faster and more convenient. Starting at number 1, Shark POWERDETECT Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark POWERDETECT Upright Vacuum, AZ4002, is a high-performance, corded vacuum engineered for deep, smart cleaning. It features Duo Clean to TM detect technology, dual brush rolls together with 4 IntelliSense sensors that detect hidden dirt, surface type, edges, and vacuuming direction. These sensors dynamically adjust the suction and brush speed for optimal cleaning on carpets, hard floors, and even along walls. With its self-cleaning brush roll, it handles pet hair without wrap, while the HEPA filter and anti-allergen complete seal trap 99.99% of dust and allergens. Additional perks include powered lift-away mode for stairs and upholstery, and an odor neutralizer cartridge for fresher exhaust air. Though it's powerful and relatively heavy at 17.6 watts, user reviews highlight its excellent suction, especially for embedded dirt, and robust edge cleaning performance. Number 2. Shark NV360 Upright Vacuum. The Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360 is a versatile, high-value upright vacuum that excels on both carpets and hard floors. Equipped with liftaway technology, its detachable pod lets you easily clean stairs, upholstery, and tight spaces. It features a HEPA filter and anti-allergen complete seal technology, trapping up to 99.9% of dust and allergens inside. The vacuum offers powerful suction, a brush roll shutoff for safe hard floor use, and swivel steering for easy maneuverability. With its generous 0.9 quart dust cup, it supports longer cleaning sessions without constant emptying. It comes with a crevice tool and upholstery tool for detailed cleaning. Number 3. Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean Vacuum. The Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean Upright Vacuum 290 AW is a high-performance corded vacuum designed for homes with pets. It delivers powerful suction through Dyson's Radial Root Cyclone TM technology, while the self-adjusting cleaner head automatically adapts to carpets and hard floors to maintain optimal cleaning. Its Ball TM technology ensures smooth maneuverability around furniture and obstacles, and the vacuum comes with 8 specialized tools, including a tangle-free turbine tool, stair tool, mattress tool, dusting brush, and combination tool, making it versatile for every cleaning task. The advanced whole machine filtration traps 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 microns, keeping allergens contained and the air in your home cleaner. Ideal for deep cleaning pet hair, the vacuum features a hygienic one-click bin emptying system, though it is relatively heavy at 17.4 pounds and requires regular maintenance. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty and Dyson's lifetime customer support, it combines powerful performance, versatility, and durability for thorough home cleaning. Number 4. Bissell 2998 MultiClean Vacuum. The Bissell 2998 MultiClean Allergen Lift-Off Pet Vacuum is a corded 2-in-1 upright vacuum designed especially for pet owners and allergy-sensitive homes. Featuring a lift-off detachable pod, it lets you clean stairs, upholstery, and other hard-to-reach areas easily. Its HEPA-sealed allergen system traps up to 99.97% of dust and allergens, tested at 0.3 microns, helping maintain cleaner air. The tangle-free brush roll prevents pet hair from wrapping around the roller, reducing maintenance. With swivel steering, it's maneuverable around furniture, and LED headlights illuminate hidden debris for more thorough cleaning. The one-touch easy empty TM bin makes dirt disposal hygienic and simple. Weighing about 15.7 pounds, it strikes a balance between portability and power. Number 5. Oreck Commercial XL Vacuum Cleaner. The Oreck Commercial XL Upright Vacuum Cleaner is a lightweight, high-performance bagged vacuum designed for both commercial and home use. Weighing just 9 pounds, it is easy to carry and maneuver, even upstairs. Its high-speed roller brush and side edge brushes provide deep agitation to lift embedded dirt from carpets, while the Micro Sweep TM system allows smooth transitions between carpets and hard floors. The vacuum features a top-fill bag system that maintains strong suction as it fills, and non-marring bumpers protect walls and furniture. An ergonomic helping hand handle adds comfort during use, And the long 35-foot cord covers large areas efficiently. Ideal for heavy-duty cleaning, it offers reliable performance for pet hair and everyday dirt, though it may not be as feature-rich as some modern upright vacuums.